every stride a new story written just for me.
Today's stage is known for its tranquil rural landscapes and gentle terrain, making it a pleasant journey for pilgrims. The weather forecast is good and it promises to be a beautiful day for walking. We leave Caldas de Reis crossing the river Ulla, a tranquil companion for the first part of the walk. Take a short break to admire the Roman bridge and the scenic surroundings. The route then passes through the lush Bermana Valley, where ancient forests and green fields create a peaceful atmosphere. The route is dotted with small villages and hamlets that offer an insight into the local way of life.
Just one marathon to go.
The village of Santa Marina de Carricito is worth a visit, with its charming Church of Bamil, a Romanesque building of uncertain origin but with a definite connection to the pilgrimage. The large Baroque tower is the most striking feature of this beautiful church. From this point on, we enjoy the beautiful scenery and the good weather. The route then climbs gently towards the hamlets of Casal de Arago and Opino, passing through the picturesque Alber mountain range. The landscape here is a mixture of agricultural fields and wooded areas, making for a varied and interesting walk. This neoclassical church, built in 1750, is in the village of San Miguel de Valga. Of note are the Via Crucis, the stone cross, and the presbytery, with its impressive stone granary and dovecot.
Italians campeones.
The route winds its way through lush woods and green fields, where the vibrant green of the countryside is punctuated by outbreaks of colorful wildflowers. Continuing our journey, we arrive in the center of Pontecedures, a historic place that was once called the Port of Compostela, as most of the goods that supplied the city arrived here. Unfortunately, our Italian friends have some problems with their feet. A common but dreaded injury for pilgrims.
¿Qué tal? Bien. Bien.
Bien, bien, bien.
Haciendo descanso, los pies.
Oh, problema.
Claro,
No,
va
no.
al río. Despejando un poquito. Nos queda poquito para entrar en Padrón.
After passing the Church of San Julian, we continue towards Pedrón. Once we have crossed the bridge over the river Ulla, we say goodbye to the province of Pontevedra and enter a Coruña. Our final destination for the day is approaching. The center of Pedrón is marked by the Paseo del Espolón, a promenade with two emblematic sculptures, that of Rosalía de Castro and that of Camilo José Cela. The first faces north and was made in the middle of the 20th century by José María Mateos. The other faces south. Padrón is famous for its connection with Santiago. The Church of Santiago houses El Pedrón, where, according to legend, the disciples of the Apostle Santiago moored the boat that carried his mortal remains when they arrived on the shores of Pedrón after sailing down the river Ulla. On the other side of the river Sar is the convent of Carmen, built in the early 18th century. We retrace our steps and make our way to our hostel, or should I say castle. What a lovely place to spend our penultimate day of the Pilgrim's Way. The town is also famous for its Pedrón peppers, a culinary delight celebrated all over Spain. We decided to have a nice dinner and try these delicacies. See you tomorrow for the final stretch to Santiago.